Okay, this is my hello everybody. This is my second video of introduction to Java. Now I am going to cover the topic of C++ versus Java. Now, what is C++? C++ is a platform dependent. We already discussed that platform dependent means a language that can be executed on any operating system irrespective of its language that can be executed on only single operating system like Windows, irrespective of its development, is said to be platform dependent. So C++ is said to be platform dependent, and C++ is mainly used for system programming. And C++ supports the go-to statement. It can support multiple inheritance. It can support operator overloading, and C++ also supports pointers. That is, you can write pointer program in C++. C++ uses compiler only, and C++ supports can support both call by value and call by reference. C++ also supports structures and unions. C++ does not have a built-in support for threads. Whereas if you consider Java, Java is platform independent. That is a language which can be executed on any operating system irrespective of its development is said to be platform independent. And Java is mainly used for application programming. It is widely used in Windows, web-based and enterprise and mobile applications. And Java does not support go-to statement. Java does not support the multiple inheritance through class, whereas this multiple inheritance can be achieved through interfaces in Java. Java does not support operator overloading. Java does not support pointers, and Java can use both compiler and interpreter. Java also supports call by value only. There is no call by reference in Java. Java does not support structures and unions, and Java has built-in thread support. So these are the differences between C++ and Java. Next, before going to execute the Hello World program, I'll show you how to. You need to download the Eclipse tool. So before executing the Java programs, you need to download the Eclipse tool. Go to Google and type it as Eclipse download. Then you select the link and you download the Eclipse and then install it. After downloading and installing the Eclipse, how to write the Hello World program? First Hello World program. The first Hello World program can be written, that is the following steps are to be taken. First you need to after installing the Eclipse tool, you need to install the JDK, and if you don't have installed it, you download the JDK as well as JRE and install it. You need to install both JDK and JRE. Then set the path of the JDK bin directory and also JRE bin directory. Then create the Java program, compile and run the Java program. Now I will show you how to set the path for JDK and JRE. First you go to My Computer Properties, Advanced tab, Environment Variables, then New tab of User Variable, then write path in the variable name, write path of the bin folder in the variable value. That is, this is the window. You go to My Computer Properties, then Advanced System Settings. In that, go to Environment Variables. In that environmental variables, if you click the environmental variables, you will see here user variables and also system variables. You can select the user variables. You click on New and then go to Path. Then write the variable name as path and variable value as the path of the JDK bin directory. That is, this is the path of the your JDK bin directory. where you have installed the JDK. This is going to be your path. Copy the address and paste it into the value, variable value. In similar way, you can also copy the path of the JRE bin directory and then click on the OK button. So you are going to set the this is how you are going to set the JDK path of the JDK bin directory and JRE bin directory. Then create the Java program, compile and run the Java program. Now I will show you how to run the Java first Hello World Java program. So first you need to go to Eclipse. So this is your Eclipse IDE, which I have already installed, downloaded and installed. So it is taking some time to open Eclipse. Yeah. So this is my Eclipse IDE launcher. Uh, so you can change the workspace also if you want. I'm selecting it as the documents folder. I'm selecting the documents and then core Java. Then I'm launching the Eclipse. So it is taking some time to launch the Eclipse IDE. So we'll wait for some time. So this is my Eclipse IDE actually. So now I can select first what I need to do. I should go to the file, new. In order to run the Hello World Java program, first you go to file, new, and then select the project. Okay, in the project, you select the Java project and say it as next. Then give the project name. I'm giving the project name as Hello World. Uh, Here I'm setting the Java SC standard edition is Java SC. Okay, no, you don't make any changes here. And then just say next. You don't make any changes. Just say next time. Finish. Then say finish. So this is how your Java project will be created. Then go into source. Right click on the source. Right click on the source. Then go to new package. I'm creating one package here. com.core Java. com.core Java. So in this package, now I can write the Java files. So I should select now click on the right click on the package, go to new and select the class. So now give the name of the class. My class is Hello World. Don't select anything here. Select only public static void main. Then say finish. So the first line is the package. Package is included here. Package com.core Java. The second line is public class Hello World. And the third line is the public static void main string arguments. Now here I am going to print it as system.out.println. I'm going to type it as system.out.println hello world. I keep a semicolon here. Then the Java strings won't accept single quotes, so you need to save it in double quotes. Now save the program. Here save button is there. Save the program. And how do you run this application? Just right click on the main project. Just right click on the class and say run as Java application. So you should just say it as run as Java application. So your output will be displayed on the console. So this is how you will execute and run the Hello World program. Okay. Now what are the parameters used in this first Java program? Here we have seen a class keyword. This class keyword is just used to declare a class in Java. Now what is a public keyword? Public keyword is an access modifier which means that it is visible to all. If you use a public keyword, it is visible to all, everybody. Now next is the static. Static is a keyword, and if we declare any method as static, it becomes a static method. And the advantage of static method is that there is no need to create an object to invoke the static method. That is, this main method is executed by JVM. So this JVM does not require to create an object to invoke the main method. It also saves memory. Next is void. Void is the return type of the method. Void means that it does not return any value. Then main represents the starting point of the program. Then string args is used for command line argument. And system.out.println is used to print the statement. Here system is a class. Out is an object of the printstream class, and println is the method of printstream class. So how many ways we can write a Java program? by changing the sequence modifiers or access specifiers. By changing the access specifiers, we can write a Java program by changing the access specifiers also, but method prototype should not be changed in Java. What is method prototype? This void main string arguments is known as method prototype. This should not be changed in Java. And the subscript notation in Java array can be used before, like can be used like this. The string args can be used like this. It can be used before, after the variable, or before the variable, or after the variable also. And you can also provide where arg support to the main method by passing three ellipses, that is three dots here. These are the three methods, the three ways you can write a Java program. And these are the valid Java main method signatures. So how many are there? Eight ways are there. Eight types are there. So these are the 8 ways where Java main method signature is valid. Okay. Okay. So I'll conclude here, and I will continue in the next video. Thank you.